Ladies and gentlemen, guess what has arrived? My new microphone. That's right. Hopefully, from today onwards, the audio quality will be slightly better. Now, let's do a bit of a unboxing here. Inside the bag is a brown box. And inside this brown box that I don't know how to open. Okay. There we go. That's right. It's a new microphone. Okay, now I just need to figure out how to set it up here. Mm. Right. Uh, I guess it's supposed to be attached to something. Right. So. Okay, so I think I'm supposed to just plug it in. Right. Get 24-month warranty. Oh, that's neat. 30 days money back, lifetime support. Huh. Okay. The user manual. Okay, connect the microphone to your command. Right. Okay, I think it's here. Hmm. Maybe the other one, yeah. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so huh? Hello. Oh. Right. So apparently it appears that I can't have my mouse plugged in and this microphone plugged in at the same time, so that's a bit annoying. But no, perhaps we'll find some way to make it work. Eh? Huh. Yep. Right. Okay. Just start this. Oh. Right. Huh. Okay. So this seems to be working here. Alright. Alright. Right. Huh. Okay, well, let's see how it does with when it comes to like recording here. Yeah. Hmm. Let's see. Oh, right. A mouse. Um. Okay, yeah, this one.
Guys, I'm not gonna lie, the movie industry.
Ah, okay, a random commercial for Wix.
Okay, if there's one AI site builder you need to meet, it's this dope tech from Wix.
Ew. No, no, thank
Guys,
you.
I'm not gonna lie, the movie industry might be cooked because Disney just announced that it will be making AI TV shows and content for Disney Plus, and multiple of our greatest actors have
Well, ain't this ironic? Get an ad for AI on a video that talks about how terrible AI is. Boy. Hey. Uh. Hey. Okay. 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 So.
sold off their voice to AI companies. Let's talk about it. And we gotta start off with Disney because this is just so incredibly disappointing. Bob
Hello?
Iger, the CEO of Disney, says that Disney Plus will soon have AI generated short form content from users.
Ha. Hello. 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 Eh. Well, then I guess with that all. Oh wait. Well, I guess with that all sorted out, I guess I'll end this short video here. And but don't worry. Once I see how good, check the audio by just listening to the audio for this video. Then I think I'm gonna upload a very special video. Yeah, it's gonna be a special video where I celebrated. I'm gonna try singing. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah. Bye.